Hello viewers, we are now discuss basic features of different types of data collection methods. Now these features we know if we have a choice in collecting data by any of the methods as discussed in before, on what grounds do you make a decision as to which one is to use? The basic features of the techniques are pointed below, which might help us in making such a decision. Firstly, basic features of an interview schedule. At first, aimed at selected respondents, no scope of self-selection by the respondents or interviewer. Response rate is very high, that is, high percentage of returns of interview schedule. Then, if necessary, permits possible explanation of question concerning a little bit ambiguous subject matter, and then permits evaluation of respondent, his or her circumstances and reliability, and then useful where spontaneity of response is required. Personal rapport might help to overcome reluctance to respond. Permits probing to explore questions in depth. Now we have to discuss the basic features of mail questionnaire. These are no possible influence on respondent by the interviewer. Mailing cost is very much lower than that of personal visit. Geographically dispersed respondents can be reached quickly. Respondents can be reached without appointment or concern for when they will available. Potential non-response might cause not to present the study population. No assessment is possible regarding the availability of the respondent. Now we have to discuss the basic features of telephone interview. These are each individual respondent requires to possess the telephone facility so as to be reached by the interviewer. The questions should be such that which could be responded by yes or no type response, or which requires short questions, and then permits very few questions with simpler language. Then responses can be collected quickly, and lastly does not permit probing to explore questions in depth. And finally, we have to discuss the basic features of panel questionnaire. Firstly, a well-defined identification is given to each individual such that he or she can be recalled easily when necessary. The dynamics of the subject matter under study can be observed for a longer period of time. And then special measures like trend, differentials, etc. are so far can be obtained from a panel technique. And finally, the questions requires are designed in such a way so that the consequence over time can be accommodated systematically and can be shorted for special purposes. So viewers, we have to discuss the basic features of collection of data methods that we discussed in before. So next video we have to discuss another topics in statistical related. For this time, this is say goodbye.